Hello YouTube, welcome back to the second video in this series. We're going to go ahead and start talking about variables and how we can print those and use those in very useful ways. So we can start by saying we can call this var1 equals our first variable. Now in Ruby you don't have to type anything like string or anything like that. It's not strongly typed, so you can move pretty quickly with it. Now our variable 2 can be an integer, and we can just leave it just like that. We don't have to have quotation marks or anything like that. And then we can say p var1 and p var2. And clear this. And as you can see right here, both variables are printed, the string and the integer. So let's go up here and see what happens if we do plus var2. If we try to put var1 and var2 together, let's see what we get. I'm going to clear this out again, and we're just going to go up and run. Boom. No implicit conversion of integer into string. 2_s. So we're going to change that to a string. We'll clear it. There you go. And now, and you can see that we don't have proper spacing in there, so we could do several things. We can do a space like that. Let me say clear. Our first variable 2. We could also create a third variable and call it and have it as 25, and we can do p var2 plus var3. So we should get the results of variable 2 and variable 3 being put together. There you go. All right. And we can also do something else unique and say p, this is our string items, and say var1. Now this sentence won't make sense. This is our string items, our first value, right? So you can put it right inside of a string. You can put the variable plug right inside the string. You don't have to add a plus sign or anything like that. We could also do it again in a different way. This is var2, and we can just do boom boom var2 dot to a string and close that out there, and then we can bring this up, clear it out, use all the screen, and there we go. We still have everything. Our first variable 2, 27. This is our string item, our first variable. This is var2 2. And I don't like the way that looks, so I'm going to change it really quickly. We're going to say var2 is var2 equals 2. And we're going to bring that up so everybody can see. var2 is equal to 2. There you go. And that's just basic variables right there. The strings, integers, anything like that, putting them together, making stronger sentences, stronger strings, bigger strings, small strings, adding numbers together. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for the next video.